Hi, my name is Blanca, and this is my daycare called Little Angels. We are an in home daycare that creates a safe and loving environment for your children where they will feel right at home, even on the weekends. Our value propositions are that we provide childcare for children of the ages of 1 through 4 at an affordable price. We provide nutritional food for them. We are bilingual, so we speak English and Spanish. We are hands on and do educational activities appropriate for each age, and we help alleviate the stress of caring for your children when you have to work, even if it's on a weekend. Our ideal customers are working single mothers, which are about 24%, working single fathers, about 7.4%, and married working couples, 68.5% in Alameda County. An ideal customer would be Joanna Martinez, who is 28 years old. She is a single mother to a 3-year-old girl. She works at a warehouse and has to work on weekends to make ends meet. Her parents live an hour away, so they help her once in a while to watch her daughter. And she also wants to go back to school, but she still can't find a stable place to have her daughter being taken care of. And so right now she has one of her coworkers' mom watch her daughter. She also enjoys to take road trips with her daughter, and they love to take their little Frenchie out for a walk. A working single dad is Jaden Guzman, who is 32 years old. He is a single father to a 2-year-old boy. He works full time at the Tesla warehouse, so his shifts vary. He does have his mom's help on the weekends when she isn't working. Jaden enjoys to spend a lot of time with his son and his mom and likes to take them out to eat or to go to the park. Our married working couple is Isabel and Mario Fernandez, and they have been married for 7 years and have 3 kids under the age of 5. Mario, who is 34, works full time in scaffolding and drives about 2 hours to and from work Monday through Saturday. Isabel, who is 31 years old, recently started working at a law firm as a receptionist in San Francisco, so she commutes in BART. They both love taking their kids out on vacation every year. Thank you.